In the last Bonk price prediction video I made basically 20 hours ago, I gave you, before that actually, I gave you this long and I said where we're going over here, we're gonna start looking for shorts. And I've already missed the short, but which would be to VWAP. But right now, here are a few things I would be interested in doing. First of all, the first trade I want to see is a retracement a little bit higher, and that's a longer term trade. Well, I'll give you a longer term price prediction and approach to the market. In the shorter term, both are not financial advice, they're just my thoughts. And I will not waste a second of your time. The first thing I want to do is I want to see price go a little higher, and I want RSI to go a little higher because right now it is very weak. An easy short here would be going from here to here, 0.2% on a good exchange. That can be a trade. But I want to see us weaken to this level again, and then and take out these weak highs that we have at the 20 to 27.8 area. These weak highs, if we take them out, then we can actually load up on some shorts. It will also correspond with the 200 EMA area, which would be pretty good. So it would be very interested to see that as well right here. This is basically my bone price prediction. I'll make another one tomorrow. If you're wondering how I'm up so much on meme coins and what strategies am I using to be up so much, use the link in the description down below to check out my course. Let's pull out the max. This is an account I've grown from zero, from scratch. So yeah, use the link in the description down below to check out my course and my signals chat. And also BloFin are giving away a lot of stuff. I'm making the switch from Mexi to BloFin for security reasons. There are also no KYC, and they're giving you $30 of bonuses, 50% of spot fee discounts, and a bunch of other stuff that you can check out. See you next video.